Yes. So, hello everyone. Today is July 30, and I am Sayyid Wasim. Today I got on a short seminar on hash map and tree map. So, let's start. Before I going to hash map and tree maps, let's look at the content what we see. First we see what is the collection. Yes, and second one we see what is the hash map. And third one we see the importance points of the hash map, and the third one we see uh, the hierarchical diagram of the hash map, and the fourth one we see the declaration of the hash map. Yes, and the last one we see the certain importance methods in the inside of the hash map, and as well as we see the tree map and there some importance points and hierarchical diagram, and as well as their methods as well. So let's start. So what is a collection? Collection is nothing but the framework. Yes, and the collection is generally it is generally used to the generally it is the purely object oriented. It is does not in the inside of the collection we don't write the any int and any value, because it is totally depend upon the vapor classes. Basically, collection is used for the framework. In the large amount of the project, the collection is playing a very important role in the Java. So we say is a collection is a cherry of the cake. Yes, so collection is a very important. In the collection, we have a certain types. The types of the collection is nothing but the map, and the map is also have a three implementation. One is a list, second one is a sort. So first one is the link, second one is the map, and the third one is a queue. So let's see. We today see the hash map and tree map. So what is the hash map? Hash map is basically used to store the key and pairs value, but it must be required the key is also have a unique key. It does not allow a duplicate key. When we try to add a duplicate key in the inside of the hash map, that time the hash map it is automatically upgraded, or they automatically replace the old value to the new value. So we must be required only only a unique key in the inside of the hash map. Key and pair is playing the very important role to develop the hash map. Yes, and hash map it is the internally followed the hash table. Basically, in the Java 5, the hash map it is declared as the hash array hash map array k v and array bracket completes. So this is the smallest things, or this is the things to the regarding of the hash map. Let's see the some importance points in the inside of the hash map. When we developing the hash map, you must be remember this point and then go to with that. The first point is nothing but the hash the Java hash map in the Java it is the contain the only a unique key. Yes, does not contain the any duplicate key. When we try to update the when we try to add the duplicate key, that time it's automatically replace it and replace it and upgrade the old value to the new value. So in the inside of the hash map we only allowed a unique key. And the second one, the hash map in the Java, it is the only contain the one null value, one key null value, and a multiples one key null and a multiples null in the inside of the value. Yes, it is only contain the only one key null value, key null. Yes, and in the inside of the value section, it is the contain a multiples null value in the inside of them. And the third one is nothing but the Java hash map in the Java. It does not synchronize. It does not synchronize means at a time the multiple threads are going to the work simultaneously. Yes, it does not synchronize. That's why the thread schedule, the multi-threading concept does not allow them. It's a working in the inside of the in the inside In the inside the multi-threading is the working, but the scheduling of the thread it is does not work. When you want to be the achieve the scheduling of the thread, that time we must be required to the add the synchronous keyword in the method. So basically hash map it is does not follow the synchronize. And the fourth point is nothing but the hash map it is does not follow the order. It does not follow the order to the maintain the row and columns. Yes, it does not follow the any order. It is not follow the ascending or descending. It is when we write in the something of the hash map, every time the output should be changed because it does not follow the any order. Yes, and the last point and very important points of the hash map is the hash map is the only contain these 16 classes with the load factor of the 0.75. Yes, the main point to keep in and remember. So this is the some key point in the inside of the hash map. Let's see the hierarchical diagram of the hash map. The hash map it is the present in the inside of the java.untile utile, and the hierarchical diagram of the hash map is nothing but the hash map it is the extend the properties of the abstract map, and the abstract map it is the implementation of a map. So this is the hierarchical diagram of the hash map. And the fourth content is nothing but the declarations of the hash map. When you want to be the declare the hash map, you must be to write the hash map. The hash map when we using in the IDE, that time when we writing the hash map, the automatically key and p is available. But if you want to be the write in the when we write the hash map in the inside of the notepad, that time you must be the write the import method in the above of the and the below of the above the class and the below of the package. You must be the import the java.untile.hash map. You must be required to import them and then write the hash map and open and close array brackets and the k and v. So basically see what is the k and v. The k and v is a parameter in the inside of the hash map. K is stand from the key, unique key, yes, and v it is the stand for the value. We using a multiples null value and as well as a multiple duplicates value in the inside of the hash map. It does not have any restrictions to regarding of the value, but the large amount of the restrictions is around to the key value. Yes, so this is the declaration and as well as the inside of the parameter we discuss. Let's see some importance method in the inside of the hash map. In the inside of the hash map, the certain kind of the matter is available as compared the in the map the all methods are available to the all of the classes, all of the mappers like a tree map, link hash map, and as well as the hash map, abstract hash maps, all things. The common method is available for the all of us, but the common method it is the implementation of the inside them is very different. Such like a replace method and the remove method and add method, yes, key method, selection method, yes. So this is the some importance method in the inside of the hash map. Let's come to the tree map. Tree map it is also stored the tree map it is also stored the key and pair value. Tree map it is also called as the red black. Yes, basically the tree map it is also followed the key, it is also stored the key and pair value, but the tree map it is the maintain the ascending and descending order. Basically it is the maintain the orders. When we want to be the write the tree map, you must be the import the java.util.treemap in the inside of the Java. Let's see some important points to the regarding of the tree map. Basically the tree map it is the content with the value. Yes, and the second point that is nothing but the tree map it is also hold the only one null key and a multiples null values. It's the same like the hash map. And the third one is nothing but the tree map is also not a synchronized. Tree map is also not a synchronized. We already discussed the regarding of the certain point to the regarding of the tree map synchronize. So synchronization does not support the tree map. And the fourth point is the maintain the ascending and descending order. Basically, it is the maintain the order of the sequence. So this is the very good point in the inside of the tree map. Yes, and the last one is nothing but the it is a consist of the 16 classes. It is a consist of the 16 classes with the load factor of the 0.75. Yes, so this is the things to the regardings of the tree map. Though another things like the declarations, the declaration parameters and the methods is a very same to the hash map. So we does not require to the told again and again the same things, as well as the method is also same as a hash map. Yes, so this is the all of the smallest things to the regarding of the hash map and tree map. So what we see first we see the what is the collection, and the second one we see the tree hash map, importance points of the hash map, and as well as the declaration of the hash map, hierarchical diagram of the hash map, and the parameters of the hash map, and the some importance method in the inside of the hash map, and tree map. Yes, and the some importance point in the inside of the tree map, and the method and parameters and declaration is very same as hash map, but only write the tree map. The k is a stem from the key, v is a stem from the value, we know. Yes, so thank you so much. I give my best. Thank you so much.